Hello and welcome to another video from Upside Down Head Travels. So today I've bobbed down to Cleveland's, just north of Blackpool, for their annual car show. Annual classic car show, that is. I say annual car show because there's quite a lot of new cars as well. So I'm just coming up off the beach now to see some of the hundreds and hundreds of cars that are on view today. So down on the actual promenade itself, I'm welcomed by a load of RS Fords. So it's not the best weather down here today. But I'm going to show you a quick view down Victoria Road. And even though the weather's not brilliant, you'll see there's hundreds of people. Hundreds of people have braved the weather. I'm going to have a walk down there shortly. So before I bob down there, I'm going to see what we've got down the actual promenade. So it's wet, it's wild, it's windy. But there's still hundreds of people have come out for this annual car show. So I'm going to bob down to Victoria Road now. Nice little Lamborghini. Some nice old and new Chevys. So I move down now, pop onto Victoria Road West. You can tell how popular it is. A whole enough TVRs. So in the description I will put a link onto the Lancashire TVR Club. I managed to have a chat with one of the guys yesterday. I'll give you some information, so I'll put the link on the description. Big 5-litre Mustang. A 3-litre V6 Mondeo ST.
Sorry.
I'm sure you'll know this car, Bumblebee from Transformers.
Ronaldo on the top baller, guys. Cleveland Jack Serviceman's top baller. £1 for 3 tickets. We've got Hot Pot, homemade Hot Pot inside the club.
So from the new Chevys.
Cleveland Jack Serviceman's top baller. We have also got tea and coffee for sale inside if you're feeling a bit chilly.
That Aston Martin 170.
She says that she's never afraid. Just if you're ever trying. She really does. Now really it's a
No, you're not doing right. Can pet there. Yes, pet in there. Okay, not too far, not too close.
Yeah, but that, yeah, it was. Yeah. And I was like, what the name that dark hair as well? Oh, no, God, yeah. That's what I'll be like, I'm I'd rather get some old or the next song. Hello. Yeah. I'm going to buy one then, you know.
So it looks like we've got a side road now that's been filled with minis. Let's go and take a look at some minis.
Thanks, lad.
Like a decent one now, easily £4
Are we letting him walk or not? I'm not seeing anything.
Sorry, buddy.
This was what? The last? Yeah.
Cheers. So if minis aren't small enough, we've got a chop mini as well.
Because I have to umbrella up. Two old pensions like this side.
So I'm hoping you've enjoyed my video of the walk through Cleveland's at their annual classic car show, and it's give yourself a bit of an inspiration for getting down to Lytham on the 16th of June on Father's Day for the car show down there, when you can be able to come down and take a look at the cars in person. So I'm pretty sure that most of these will be down there as well. And that's what you called an old VW camper. That looks like it's done the full length of Australia.
Yeah, there's two.
So yeah, if you've enjoyed my video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share far and wide. Check out some of my other videos, and also get yourself down to Lytham for their car festival, or their car show, which is on the 16th of June. I'll leave you with a few shots of some of the rest of the cars.